2025 marked a year of accelerated implementation of the Jinding Intelligent Manufacturing Blueprint. The successful completion of our Phase 2 project represented not only a significant expansion of production capacity, but also a comprehensive step forward in building an integrated intelligent manufacturing system. In the same year, we were honored with the title of Weifang Intelligent Factory and in collaboration with the China Canned Food Industry Association, jointly organized professional training programs. Through these initiatives, we shared innovative technological concepts with the industry and actively promoted collaborative and sustainable industrial development. Our innovative achievements have earned deep trust and recognition from the market and our partners. This year, we engineered and delivered a fully automated corn sterilization production line for Shiyudaoshan October rice field, achieving precise, uniform, and highly efficient high-temperature sterilization. The unmanned soft packaging retort workshop we delivered has become a critical cornerstone supporting Three Squirrels' strategic transformation toward a manufacturing-driven retail model. Through technology empowerment, we have also supported Wang Haolu, injecting strong momentum into the brand's continuous expansion and long-term growth. The fully automated soft packaging sterilization production line we built for Changjiaxiang features highly efficient, precise temperature control and stable sterilization performance. It effectively locks in the product's fresh aroma and smooth texture, providing a solid quality foundation to support the brand's expansion. The fully automated can loading and unloading line we built for Chongqing Daiya has significantly improved operational efficiency and safety, setting a benchmark for the intelligent upgrading of the traditional canned food industry. For Shanghai Maling, a century-old iconic brand, we specially developed a sliced luncheon meat automatic sterilization production line. Through intelligent and innovative technology, we safeguarded century-long quality heritage and support this time-honored brand in advancing into a new era of intelligent manufacturing. We have empowered the emerging pasta brand Conch, ensuring that from the production line to the consumer's table, every serving of pasta delivers consistently outstanding taste and quality. In addition, numerous well-known overseas enterprises in Malaysia, Germany, and other countries have chosen Jinding. This stands as the strongest testament to our capability to deliver complete, plant-wide intelligent automation solutions. In 2025, visits and inspections by leaders at various levels served as strong recognition of Jinding's role in advancing high-quality development in the manufacturing sector. At the milestone occasion of the 30th anniversary of the China Canned Food Industry Association, Mr. Sun Hao Chun, founder of the company, was honored with the industry's Lifetime Achievement Award. This prestigious recognition is not only a personal honor, but also the highest commendation from the industry for Jinding's nearly 3 decades of dedication, innovation, and contribution.
2025我们交出的档案是完美交付的400多套设备和它背后的零事故的365天。
今年我们突破了杀菌腐控制系统的关键技术，让金井牌杀菌腐更高效、更智能。
2025年，我们拿下了多家行业龙头企业的战略合作，金鼎成为更多食品企业杀菌设备的首选。
2025年，我们更深刻地认识到，在海外市场需要的不是单一设备，而是全自动化、定制化、整线杀菌解决方案。在这一领域，桑普特是您的最佳选择。
这一年收获的每一升满意，都化为我们前进的动力。2026年，我们继续用100%的努力换您10分满意。
我们的2025是跑赢了时间，把平均故障响应时间缩短到了客户焦虑产生之前。
今年我们用数据说话，以标准立本，为公司每一台设备打上金鼎品质的合格证，品控部严谨于毫厘，护航于始终。
Looking ahead, Jinding will continue to be driven by innovation. From core components to complete plant planning, we possess end-to-end in-house R&D capabilities across the entire process. We firmly believe that the ultimate purpose of intelligent manufacturing is to create a better life.